So we're back at the village pool area, which is by our resort room. This is the first time we've really used a pool that's not the main pool, and it's really nice. It doesn't get super crowded. We've just had a really nice lunch. They do really nice buttermilk chicken sandwiches here, and it's just way more chill. We're expecting some storms to come in and they're holding off at the moment, but there's hardly anyone here, so the service on the quick serve area is really good. Pretty much got the pool to ourselves, sun's out, it's awesome. So we're back at Magic Kingdom because we're going to get the monorail across to Polynesian, because we're going to have a quick drink in Trader Sam's before heading to the Contemporary, because we got dinner booked at California Grill.
Let's see some fireworks.
Oh yeah. Can I go outside and have a look around? The fire's cool. The fire's really cool. I think it's round to the left. Okay, get one. No, you just grab one and go. Come on.
Some of them are too small.
Can I get one of those? You are, look. Go on.
Poor little kid.
Here you get your hips in. Nice. It's the
It's small.
It is great, yeah. So unfortunately, Trader Sam's is 21s and over. However, after 8 o'clock, and it was pretty busy in there. But I think this is just as nice. Is it?
Water package shown or tendencies to go behind me. Also coming on at 8:55.
So we just had a lovely hour or so with a couple of drinks at Trader. Yeah.
It was outside.
Yeah, it was really nice. And now we're getting the monorail too.
Blessing stay away, we're going to the Contemporary for dinner at the California Grill.
On the monorail.
I heard, you get those two?
Over here right now.
Yeah, that's why I asked the side of it, so you can go on either
Okay,
side.
right, we'll check.
So that's why I wasn't sure. Where
Ah, brilliant.
That's lovely.
So, but we'll put this right here.
And then
Yep.
we'll come back in a second and
Absolutely, and your server will be Abdul, and he'll be waiting for you.
Cool. So we go watch the fireworks and then we'll come back. Thanks so much. Awesome. And it looks like we've lost the kids. It's a double. It's a win. Thank you.
They're not here.
I'll phone Daisy in a sec.
wow.
Wow.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin. Let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes alive when we're the new adventure. Bury your eyes, bury your eyes. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find happily ever after. Find your happily ever after.
Some people are worth melting for.